So then we're back at Canada Place Mall. At the underground section, there's the underground station. Found another lift that I didn't know about last time.
Doors closing.
But this is a heck of a lot busier. Stanter gate. Feels pretty nice. Kind of sounds like a Gen 2, the motor. And it has a Gen 2 issue.
Level 0.
Wow.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Oh, if you want clean announcements, you can get them from here. Wow, it's considerably loud. It seems brand new, this whole area. It smells new. For an underground station, that's very rare.
Level -1.
Alright then. It's really interesting. Never seen.
Doors opening.
This is one interesting place.
Doors closing.
There are escalators here as well as per usual. Yeah, might as well go up as well. Wow, these look brand new, shiny as ever. Oh my god, I don't even want to look down. It's just scary like how tall this is. Might as well just walk down as well. Not walk down, but go down. This is amazing. Wow, my god, I feel so weird jumping down this. Yes, it's Friday today, so this is not the same day as the lift adventure video. This is about 5 days after it. Wow, this is interesting. Looks brand new, like really clean. Canary Wharf is the cleanest city in London. Sorry, area. No, that'll be the end of this bit, if that is another bit. Lift at the exit of Canary Wharf station. More rough condition. I expected that because the majority of people know about this lift. Oh, it's alright. It's slightly different than a normal station lift. Oh my god. Quite interesting going up here. Oh, it's a long distance as well. Might as well look at the view up here. This is very cool. Street level. I'm not going to get off. It's very dangerous in the city, so I'm not going to get off here. Well, I should have explored this place more when I was in that lift adventure. I don't think I'll re-upload that video. I'll just like have a separate. Oh dear, that doesn't sound too good. Don't know if I want to get stuck today. That's why I'm not going to safety brake any lifts here, because I've been told lifts go out of service sometimes in certain lifts. Stratford is fine, but anywhere else I'm going to find out from people first. Especially these kind of lifts, they look a bit dodgy. They're fine. They look really, this is actually quite clean for a station lift. That'll be the end of this one. Well, it's another place in some random section of Canary Wharf train station slash Canada Place Mall. This is not going to be in one video. There's, you know, separate videos for this. I think it's an EcoDisc first gen. The voice is extremely loud in this area of London. Actually, I'm not sure if safety braking is a good idea on here. Get some cleaning.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Oh, there's escalators there. I might go out of here. Strange. Still don't know where I am anyways, that's the end of this bit. Probably will be one whole video, but I think I'll just end up in office buildings. Like Canary Wharf, there's no security, no signs. You just walk into office buildings. I don't know where I am. Just walked in some strange... I'm going to put the camera a bit low so they don't see it. Look at this. Some office thing. I don't know where I am. I think Canary Wharf need to be a lot more like... They're really open about people going into their private offices. Like, what the hell? Like, some security woman just passed me, didn't say a single thing. I think that little eco disc, because private offices, there's no way of knowing where you are in this part of London. They don't even bother. They're strict. It doesn't seem that strict. I don't know where I am going. Someone knows this area. Do let me know. And I'm like, is this staff only or is it public? Don't know. It's really strange. Right then, I'll get out of this bit. Right, I've arrived at another place. This, I think it's the same part. It has Mitsubishis as well. I might have rode on these ones last video, about a week ago, but I'm not sure about that. It's this one over here. So you can go in that one. There's yeah, there's people in there. Too many. 2 or 3 is fine, but there's about 7, 8. Actually, could you hold the doors? If you could. Thanks.
What would you want to press 2?
So I need to go here. Let's try that one. Oops, have I got my... Yes, I have. Actually. Cool.
Street level.
Right, let's try again. Is that one? Still have to be careful here. Oh yeah, this is the exact same place I was last time. Just gonna wait for that man to go because I don't want to go up and down when he's there because he might be a bit suspicious. Yeah, because I found the other entrance. I could not find the entrance to the Otis Gen 2 at the Stratford station. Not Stratford, Canary Wharf. So I decided to have a little wander and I finally found where I am. It's another adventure in Canary Wharf shopping centre now. I was only meant to film 2 lifts and I ended up filming about 5. Sorry. Let's go to the ground. Sorry. As you can see, there's an indicator there. These feel incredibly nice. Shine. I'm sorry. Oh. Yeah. I'm getting a bit busy, these lifts are now, so I have to be careful. Dun dun. Let's see. Right. No, this is my wrong, sorry. Yeah. Cool. I thought that was the ground floor. Maybe I'll stay in here longer. Get out there. Parking level 2.
Now, M3. Right?
Yeah. Let's go and see.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
Right. I don't know where I am, so let's just go to 2 then. Sorry. Alright, I can get out ground. So this is mezzanine. Right, let's go to... we don't want to go to the street, we want to go to mezzanine, because I believe that's where I came from. Yeah, it probably would be M. Yeah, because this is ground, that's street level. Oh, the lift movement's pretty nice. Ah, this is a locked off floor. Wait 1 second. Oh, that's a locked off floor. Look. No, it's not locked off. What am I saying? It's this one. Oh, this one doesn't have the button. Let's try this side. No. Yeah, this is it. Anyways, that'll be this and this. I'll just come to another set of Mitsubishi, the one opposite. I want a safety brake.
And retail mall level. Button lamps with non-service floors do not illuminate.
Oh, it parks. That's true. Let me try a safety brake. No, the doors are welded shut on these ones. Cool.
Level 3. Going up.
Let's see the illuminate floor.
Button lamps of non-service floors do not illuminate.
That's a very rare. Let's try that again.
Button lamps of non-service floors do not illuminate.
You can use that recording. Let's go. Oh, level 4 illuminated. These ones are a lot less busy. Yeah, we're going to go an express ride. Oh, I can actually hear all the movement in the shaft. Like, these are very good. I didn't think I was going to be coming back here today, but... Wow, I'm moving up to level 4. This is highest I've ever been. So that is very high up. Let's go back all the way down. I don't know what this place is up there. Maybe staff only. I can't read anything on here. It says... I need to read off my phone. I cannot read it. It's something about restaurant. Is it possible not to safety brake? No, these are too tight. Right, I can get off here. Thank you. Right. I've made my way back. Made my way back here. This is a... Well, I was actually looking for this in the first place. Smells of coffee now. Let's try safety brake. If I do that. Don't go out of service, please. Yes. That's fine. That's not really that harsh. What's out here? I do wonder. Shouldn't get up for too long. No logic cabinet as well. Oh, I keep almost pressing the alarm. Strong one. Oh, that was much harsh. Oh god. Just starts back up. Well, maybe it's just a rumour that lifts go out of service. Anyone knows that's true, please comment. Plus there is a camera, so I don't want to get kicked out, but they might get a bit mindful now. Is there any scratches on the doors? No, it's really clean. I don't think anyone has ever safety broken these, just because of like, yeah. Right. Oh, that's my cane over there. Yeah, I'm not going to safety these ones anymore. That was actually pretty funny. The one going down was much harsher. Let's press the button on this one. Alright, doesn't really... Ah, and this goes to -2. Sounds like this was in... Is there a camera in here? Someone let me know, I can't see if there's a camera or not. It's interesting. Wee, that feels nice. Cool, let's do that. Oh, that door does not sound good. It didn't sound like that last time. One of my favourite lifts, along with the Mitsubishis. Alright, I'm going to end it here. I'm going to go down, but... Sure. There is no... Let's see... No, there's no vandal resistant buttons, which is good, so... Clear from vandalism. Let's have a look at this sign. Canary Wharf lifts. Ticket hall. Yeah, that's a lot of money. Just do the chime. But this one's don't chime, unfortunately. And that's the escalators. Anyway, thank you for watching.